Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. Yeah, so guys, I'm just showing you my makeup things, the things I will be using for my hair, my cap, my go-to be and all that. So this is the bond I normally use. Yeah, this is the bond I use for my closure. I showed you guys before, so this is what I use and all that. So I'm just trying to insert my closure and all that. So guys, today look is a bridal look. Yes, it's a bridal look. I decided to create this video, like I decided to create this look for you all, my amazing people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sharing my video. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If you're watching for Facebook, thank you so much. If you're watching for YouTube, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, so I'm just trying to style my hair here. I'm just styling the hair and all that. So, and because I have styled this hair before, so it was very easy for me. So I didn't waste so much time on styling this hair. Yeah, because I've inserted this hair before, so it was just easy for me to insert and all that. So thank you so much guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please, if you have not yet follow me, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so by subscribing, like and share this video. Okay, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, if you like my look, if you like my hair, if you are wondering why my hair is like this, it's dye low, it's dye. Like I bleached the knuckles too much. Yes, that is the reason. That is the reason. I told you guys before. And this is my bunny. I'll be using this bunny for the back. Yes, for the back. Guys, I will not be able to show you everything and all that because this I do not want this video to be very long. So this is me just trying to do my edges and all that. So yeah, almost done with my hair, and that is it. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. It has been long I did my makeup, like it has been long. The last time I did my closure, I'm not able to do any other closure again. See my face now. See this face. Like, are you seeing my face? Are you seeing the face on the screen, or you are not seeing it? Are you seeing this face? Very soft, like very soft. My face is very so soft. Guys, before I like to prep my face before I start my makeup. Yes, if you want to get that kind of makeup, like you want your makeup to be very beautiful, this is my primer and all that. So if you want to have that kind of look, like that kind of flashes makeup, you want your makeup to come out well, even if the foundation is not good. But with you prepping your face like this, hi, your face will be very smooth. So I'll be using two foundation for this. I use Laura and what is it called, Maybelline, the other Maybelline. So I mix the two foundation together and all that. So, and that is it. See my skin, guys. Do you want to know the secrets to this beautiful face? Do you want to know? I'll share it with you guys before. I've shared it with you. Yes, I'll share it with you. And I also do DIY. I also do DIY, which is face scrub. If you don't know how I make this face scrub, just check my shorts. Just check my shorts. You are going to see how I made those scrub. These are what I use for my face. Yes. So, like I will always say, you need to be doing it like at least 2 to 3 times in a week, the face scrub. Okay, for you to get this consistent in, for this thing to be working in your face, you need to be doing it every time. Guys, how did you see the foundation, like the foundation on the sweet skin? How did you see it? Did the foundation came out so well? Yes, it came out so well. Guys, today I just decided to do my makeup. Like, it has been long I really do my makeup. Like, it has been long I do makeup. Yes, it has really been long. Like 1 month now, I've not done makeup. So in today's video, I decided to give it to you guys. Yeah, I decided to give it to you guys. Like, give it to you guys the way house it be right now. So guys, if you are watching up to this time, thank you so much. Thank you, I really do appreciate. So if you want to know, most of the brand that I'm using, most of them are from Nigeria brands and all that. This one is Beauty by AD. I'm using Beauty by AD setting powder. Yes, this is what I'm using, as you can see on the screen. Did you see how flashes this foundation looks on my face? Like, this video, like, I did a very simple eyeshadow, very simple. I didn't do too much. No, not for today. I don't want to do too much. Like, for the eyeshadow, I just like the eyeshadow like this, like this. So this is my blush. Just trying to show you guys the blush that I'm using. This blush is from Kiko. Yes, if you are wondering what I'm looking at the mirror and all that. So because I'm using my back camera to film this video. Did you see how back camera? When I tell you guys, use your back camera, you think I'm joking. I know it's not easy to use back camera. I know it's not easy filming with back camera. Guys, I always like to put this white powder in my dot eyes, like tears dots. I don't know if it's that correct. I like to put tears dot, like it give me that look, like, I don't know, Ashanti girl. I don't know what the look it gave me, but I just like to put tear dot, like this type of tear dot white. So I've seen it a lot of makeup artists also do it. So since I've been doing it, and guess what, I've been loving it. Like, I've been loving it. Guys, what did you think? Did you like? So I'll be using this red lipstick for my lips, and I already use my what is it called, my eye pencil for my lips as well. So I want to do combination. Guys, what did you like this tear dot, that white one I put under that place? Did you like it? If you do like it, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know if you like it. Did you like the lipstick? The lipstick is not that kind of lipstick. It's not that red lipstick. I really wanted to use red lipstick, but I don't want it to be very sharp and all that. So I just put on my setting spray, and this other setting spray is from Revolution. The first one that I use is from Revolution, and the other one is for NY something. So this setting spray is so good. Like, do you see how the setting spray finish everything? Like, the setting spray bring out the whole look, like the whole look. So this is me just trying to tone my hair and all that. I've already put the wedding addresses. Okay, let me not go and bite my tongue. And your wedding gear is ready. I am ready to be going to church, so that the ring will be exchanged. Yes, that's the girl. That's just the baby girl. Ude. Are you seeing what I am saying? I'm just feeling myself. I like to feel myself anytime I'm on makeup, vibing to the music in the background.